every other week to once a month, we clean up the aquariums. We vacuum, we scrub, we clean up the filters. We also change water up to 30% to ensure that our fish have good, nice, clean water. We have mainly external filters, but we have a couple of aquariums that have enheim internal filters. Even though it's not my favorite, it actually works pretty well. It has been a while since this one has been cleaned up, and you will see that in a moment when I go and wash the filter. I don't change the foam every time I usually filter. Apologies for the noise, the washing machine was working as well. Everyone works, everyone working. So I wash all the filter pieces and bring it back. Here you can see again how dirty this one was. It has been around a month and a half since I did this last. Some of these foams I actually bought big pieces and then I cut them myself. It's a bit more inexpensive doing it that way. Nice and clean. I put it all together again and off it goes back into the aquarium. I will not start it until after all the vacuuming is done as well. All set, it goes back in. It's two pieces. This is the top one. We vacuum with a long hose that throws the water right out, so we don't have use buckets or anything like that, but we also don't pump. This is just siphon. The enheim that I washed the internal filter, it's pretty dirty. So we scrub it, we make sure that all the dirtiness goes out of the little nooks and crannies. So then we take out water. On aquariums where there are shrimp or fry, we have pre-filters. This makes sure that the fry or shrimps don't get all the way into the outer filter. It's also enheim. It has two pieces. I'll wash it in a second. So it has these two foams. I have never changed them. I have these outer filters now maybe a year now, and I wash it. It has double purpose. As I said, it's the small creatures don't go into the filter. The other one is the filter is actually cleaner for longer periods. Once this is washed, it goes back in. It's also easy to do this after some scrubbing and vacuuming, or you can just clean the outer filter or the pre-filter. Once it's set, start to add water. In this case is the 180 liter. but we added back on all the aquariums. I also put in some hot water. Boo is a bit more sensitive, so he gets sometimes a bit angry, but Sarah pampers him a bit. I don't dare do this, only Sarah. They have a close relationship. Sometimes even if it's me giving food, he will ignore me, but Sarah, she's his favorite. I get it. All done. All aquariums refilled. Today we actually took quite a bit of water from all of them. I would say between 25 to 30%. So you can see the water is super clear now. Some of them it's still settling a bit, ones on the bottom, but the rest is very clear. Particles are of course still around, but it is what it is. Fish are calm. It took a couple of hours, but everything is nice and clean. So it's gonna last at least another month in most of them. On these enheim, in 2 weeks I'll try and clean the filter again. See you soon.